It's the most wonderful time of the year, and a lot of times for women that means not only wanting to feel great but look great at all those gatherings with friends and family. I've got Dr. Whitney Bowe, and she's sharing her latest tips and tricks and treatments just in time for the season. Welcome, doctor.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for coming on. So when it comes to looking great, where should we even start?
Well, three of the hottest procedures in my office right now are Botox Cosmetic, Juvederm, which is a line of different fillers for the face, and a lot of people are signing up for Kybella, which they want to start as their New Year's resolution in the new year. So when it comes to Botox Cosmetic, we're talking about addressing those angry 11s, those lines between the eyebrows that make you look angry or tired, and also the crow's feet, the lines around the eyes. But Juvederm is a line of different fillers that can really lift and contour the cheekbones, fill in those shadows and folds around the mouth. And there's even a new product, Juvederm Volbella, that not only addresses sort of the lips and enhances the lips just to drop very, very naturally, but it also can smooth out those lines around the lips that everyone hates. And, when it comes to the fillers, they're pretty long lasting. A lot of the times you can actually get 2 holiday seasons out of 1 treatment, which is just incredible. But when it comes to the new year, a lot of people are they're indulging in all those decadent treats and rich desserts right now, and they're starting to say, like, I think I'm getting that double chin. And actually, a lot of the time, it doesn't have to do with diet and exercise. It's actually, if you look around the holiday table at your relatives, a lot of that's genetics. So now we have a non-surgical way to really tighten up, contour that jawline, and get rid of that fat under there, and that's using a procedure called Kybella. But it takes a couple of treatments to do that. So, depending on the patient, sometimes I'll say it's, 1, 2, or 3 treatments, and I space them 1 to 2 months apart, and then once you're done with that series of treatments, you can really enjoy those results for years. Retreatment is not expected once you complete that series, but because it takes a series, I usually recommend doing that as more of a sort of a new year, new you, resolution kind of thing.
I like that idea. And when it comes to fillers, you can go in and out pretty quickly, and no one really has to know.
Absolutely.
That's the best part.
Absolutely. With any of these injectables, though, there's side effects. So, you do want to talk to your doctor. Like, for example, I'll tell my patients the week or 2 before they come in for a procedure, I say stop using Aleve, Advil, ibuprofen, fish oil, because that'll actually decrease the risk of bruising and swelling, which are the 2 biggest sort of side effects that I see with any of these injectables.
So how much are we talking about for these procedures, doctor? What's the cost?
Excellent question. So with Botox Cosmetic, it's about $400 and up. And of course, these prices, they depend on where you are in the U.S., how trained the person doing the injections is, how much experience they have. With fillers, usually starts around $700 and up. And then for Kybella, each treatment is around $750 and up.
All right, gotcha. So where can we go for more information? Is there a website you can send us to?
Yeah, there's different ones depending on what you're interested in. So, BotoxCosmetic.com can tell you about Botox. When it comes to the fillers, Juvederm.com, and then MyKybella.com is great if you're sort of looking at your social media selfies and seeing that double chin.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Happy holidays to you.
Thanks for having me. Happy healthy.
All right, if you're interested in any of those products, you can go to our website, fox4morningblend.com, for a little refresher there. All right, for some families, it costs as much as college tuition or even housing. You may be surprised to learn what it is. The eye-opening details are next.